Welcome to the California Environmental Health Tracking Program, or CEHTP's, Drinking Water Systems Geographic Reporting Tool video tutorial on the steps to upload a KML file. Once you have created an account and logged into the Water Boundary tool, you can now upload your files. What is a KML? KML is short for Keyhole Markup Language. It's XML programming language, and polygons are created and viewed in Google Earth. KML files specifies a set of features for display in Google Earth or any other geospatial software. But before you can upload your KML data, make sure the file name contains alphanumeric characters, no spaces, no punctuation, and ends with the KML extension. You can find written instructions at the Instructions and Tutorial hyperlink at the bottom of the Water Boundary Tool main page. Locate and select how to prepare a KML file. Once you have your KML file ready, you are ready to upload it to the Water Boundary Tool. So let's get started. At the website homepage, select Begin Using Tool. The first screen you encounter will list only those water systems in your jurisdiction. This could be a short list or a long list. For the purposes of this video, we've already selected a water system KML to upload. We'll enter the water system name in this empty field. As you type, a list of similarly named water systems appears below. If you see your water system in the list, hover over it and click your left mouse key to select it. The next window displays a list with useful information about the water system, such as who the registered users are, all the survey questions answered when your account was created, a hyperlink to create, edit, and manage service area boundary files, and lastly, a hyperlink to the district where the water system lives. Let's select Create, Edit, and Manage Service Area Boundary Files. The screen retiles to the Editing Wizard window. This window allows the user to create, edit, and manage files for the drinking water systems you manage. The wizard has 3 steps. Step 1 asks you to select an action. Step 2 has a table that lists any uploaded service area boundaries, and Step 3 asks you to select a method for creating or adding to an existing boundary. In the Editing Wizard window, let's leave Step 1 where it is, and we'll skip Step 2 as the directive in Step 1 indicates, and then we'll move directly to Step 3, where we will select option D. Select D, which is upload a shapefile or KML. Next, click Continue. The next screen shown is a faded map of California with a small window labeled Upload Your GIS File. If you're not sure how to upload a KML file, you can visit the how-to hyperlink provided here. You can also view or manage other GIS files using the hyperlink provided. Then there is an empty field with a Browse button. Let's select the Browse button and navigate to the folder where our KML file resides. A new window appears, and it is the directory of files on your computer. Navigate to the folder where you've stored your data. When you have found it, click once on the file to select it, then in the lower right-hand corner, select Open. A pop-up message appears on the screen letting you know that your file is getting ready to be saved to the server. Click OK. The next screen shows your boundary loaded onto the map of California. Click Next in the right-hand margin, and in this new window, enter information about the file you're uploading. When finished, click Save. In the next window, a message will tell you all was uploaded successfully and that you may now edit the service area. Click OK. Make edits if necessary. You can do this by zooming into your polygon to see the nodes clearer. Use the Zoom scroll tool in the upper left-hand corner When you hover over your polygon, your cursor changes from an open hand to a pointing hand, and nodes appear all along the sides. If the polygon looks accurate, click the Save button in the right-hand margin. If you want to make a change to your polygon, zoom in closer, click your left key and pull down to center your map. Hover over the polygon and locate the line or node you want to adjust. Hold down your left mouse key button and pull into the direction where that node should be, and then let go. If everything else is okay, click the Save button. A new pop-up window appears. You'll see the additional notes you entered earlier, and this is another opportunity to enter more information about your boundary. The valid to and from fields should be left blank unless there are other entered boundaries for your system that are valid for other time periods. If that is the case, enter a time period here to distinguish this boundary in time from other boundaries. For more guidance on what to enter for valid to and from dates, click the FAQ hyperlink. Please check the completed box indicating that the surface area boundary in the tool is complete. Later, a district or LPA water system user will check the verified box indicating they have reviewed the boundary and verified its accuracy. When you are done, select the Save button in the right-hand margin to save all your file attributes. You can now exit the application and return to the editing wizard. Go to the upper right-hand corner and select Create, Edit, and Manage Files. When the screen retiles and you are back at the editing wizard, your new polygon is now listed in Step 2. And you are all finished uploading your KML file to the Water Boundary tool.